Hi everyone, my name is Benjamin Johnson and I am the sales coordinator here at Elmer's Manufacturing, and today I would like to introduce to you the 2022 Elmer Super 7 Harrow. So as you can see, we have made a significant change to our model 2022 Harrows, being available as a solid pull configuration on the 70-foot and 90-foot Harrows. For 2022, the 50-foot Harrow will still remain as a cable pull only. There are three primary functions that the Super 7 will excel in. Function number one, seedbed preparation. The Harrow is an excellent tool to be brought out in springtime to help break up any leftover clumps of residue or dirts that may be in the field. This does allow you to have a nice smooth field finish and be able to seed into that for optimal seed placement. Another really great spring application is being able to dry out the black dirt on top, have the sun come down and get you out to the field a little bit sooner. Application number two, fertilizer incorporation. The Super 7 is a great tool to be used either for granular or liquid fertilizer. In a granular application, just have your floater come out ahead of time, set the Harrow aggressive, have some good speed. The tines will have a lot of whipping action, which will then allow the dirt and fertilizer to integrate and have the fertilizer at the optimal place for your seed. Also, the Super 7 is a great tool for any type of liquid fertilizer application. Aftermarket, you can install drop tubes on your tines and go through the field to allow your fertilizer to integrate where you'd want it with your seed. Number three, the Harrow is also a great tool to be used for residue management. By using it, you are able to work through the field and grab your residue and evenly distribute it all throughout the field, which will then allow it to decompose sooner and not leave any clumps left in the field for you to worry about. The third thing that I'd like to talk to you about now is the construction of the Harrow. Now looking at it, you can see the most notable change for this year is going to the solid pull design. First off, the hitch is much cleaner now by having all of the cable pull stuff removed. Second off, you can see that there is a nice simple solid pull configuration here. Now a couple of reasons why you'd want the solid pull configuration. Number one, it does allow you more maneuverability with the field. With the cable pull system, you are not able to reverse the Harrow when it was put into a field position such as this. This does allow you to work in corners or other areas where you might have to reverse out. The number two reason why this is really nice is it reduces the outer wing whip. Now as you can imagine, as the Harrow is turning, the outside wing wheel does carry quite a large amount of momentum. By going to a solid pull design and having a solid mounting system, you no longer will see the cable whip that you had previously. The next thing I want to talk about in the construction is the Secure Lock. Secure Lock is a combination of custom design, spring tension cylinder, and an interlock system to prevent the possibility of the solid pull arm unlatching during operation. The number three reason why the solid pull design is nice is it reduces the temptation for the wings to roll forwards in a light Harrow application traveling down steep hills. Looking at the tines, you do have a couple of configurations that are available. You can get the Harrow as all standard tines, as 2-row chrome tines on your front rows, or all chrome. One of my favorite features on the Super 7 Harrow is the parallel links that you can see here. These links connect the main section to the main beam of the Harrow. And by using parallel on top and bottom, you have equal force as the section is being pulled from the main here. A lot of competitors will use a longer link on the top of their section versus the bottom, which causes uneven pull and the front of the section to run into the ground more than the rear. Now this does not allow as a desirable field finish because you're not engaging all of the rows of tines on the ground, and it also wear out your front 2 rows of tines quicker than the other ones. Well, I'd really like to thank you for joining me today on this Super 7 Walkaround.